Ask which is the grandest building built this year. Beijing's new airport. The total construction area of Daxing Airport is up to 1.4 million square meters. It is expected to reach 120 million by 2025. To meet all aviation transport demands in the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei province. On September 25 this year, Daxing Airport was also officially put into use. But many netizens are still marveling at the grandeur of Beijing's new airport. There was also new news from another of our country's super airports. That is the Tianfu International Airport being built. Tianfu International Airport is located in Chengdu, Sichuan Province, China. It is the largest domestic civil transportation hub airport project built in China's 13th five-year program. According to the website of the State-Owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission of the State Council on October 24, Chengdu Tianfu International Airport has completed the main supporting project construction and successfully passed the acceptance inspection, and Beijing Daxing Airport. Tianfu International Airport subway line, comprehensive pipe corridor, baggage control corridor and other convenient channels. Before the terminal was built, construction personnel first dug a length of about 1.08 kilometers underground. It is 150 meters wide and 20 meters deep. The size of over 1,600 standard swimming pools. And in the pit to complete the construction of the subway and other channels. Tianfu International Airport is expected to have a total investment of 77.699 billion yuan and will be constructed in two phases. The first phase of the project is designed to handle 40 million passengers. Cargo handling 700,000 tons, aircraft movements 320,000. The graded index of the airfield is 4F, which is the highest international airport. It can take off and land all kinds of large planes. The terminal has a total area of 1.25 million square meters. Although less than Beijing Daxing Airport 150,000 square meters. But Tianfu International Airport will also build 600 acres of the ecological theme park. One of its locations in the Green Airport. In the future, when passengers are waiting at Tianfu International Airport, you can enjoy the lake and mountain scenery at close range. It is also the world's first green-themed airport design. Tianfu International Airport project in the initial tender. A total of 6 units from around the world participated in the bidding. Finally, by China's Southwest Design and Research Institute. A cooperative project with a French construction firm won the bid. Configuration means sunbird. The 4 terminal units in the terminal area are like 4 flying birds of God. Chengdu's new airport is soaring towards the world with a confident attitude. In addition to its novel appearance, the airport has 4 major features. First, it only takes 9 to 13 minutes to walk from the security gate to the farthest gate. Chengdu Tianfu International Airport has a terminal area of 1.2 million square meters. It's a real superstructure. And the huge area will make the distance between the different boarding gates become longer. Tianfu International Airport adopted hand-in-hand, side-by-side design. Connecting the different terminals shortens the transfer time. It is also the first hand-in-hand terminal in China. Besides, a ground transportation center and an empty corridor are set up between the 2 terminals, reducing travel time within the airport. Second, upon arrival at the airport, passengers can transfer to PRT, personal transfer to public transport. There is a Y-shaped track between the terminals. It is the most advanced personal bus rapid transit system in the world. With a total length of 4,800 meters, it is fully self-charged. Unmanned and dedicated track, the speed can reach about 40 kilometers per hour. Passengers can be quickly transferred to the terminal. Tianfu International Airport is also the first in Asia. The second airport in the world to adopt the PRT system. Third, the world's first high-speed rail penetration. The terminal and runway are equipped with high-speed rail. It will run through the underground terminal and under the runway. Passengers can take the high-speed train directly to the airport. Seamless connection between high-speed rail and aircraft. Fourth, millimeter wave detection door. Traditional airport security usually goes through a metal security gate. Then after a manual with a personal inspection instrument. Not only is it time-consuming, but it's also about radiation. The millimeter wave inspection gate is a 3D imaging inspection gate developed in 13 years in China. It can be achieved in 2 seconds on clothing. All material conceals on the skin are fluorinated. Security checks are much more efficient and accurate, and passengers can protect their privacy. The whole process of security checks without personnel interference. Chengdu's new airport has been under construction for 3 years. Terminal T1 was fully closed on September 29. The first phase of the airport is expected to open in 2020. The airport is also the envy of many British internet users. Look at Chinese infrastructure and look at British infrastructure. Britain is already way behind China. Another netizen said, a major airport in China can be built in just 3 or 4 years. We've been building a new road in Britain for more than a decade. The gap is too wide. For China, Chengdu is now an outpost of China's interior on the road to Europe. He has a great mission on his shoulders. Tianfu International Airport is just the beginning. More super projects will be built in the future in Chengdu. Determined to build Chengdu into a link in the global industrial chain, thus establishing an air Silk Road. Chinese culture, made in China. Chinese goods are shipped all over the Europe.